जय जगन्नाथ सांग माने ओडिशार कौनसी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम पाई प्रिपरेशन करूछंती कि ताहले एही वीडियोटी आपणक पाई आज आमे नेई आसीछु से ही इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जहां विभिन्न एग्जाम रे बारंबार रिपीट। व्हाट इज द मिनिमम डिस्टेंस इन मीटर्स रिक्वायर्ड टू एन इचो? करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो 17। Why does a blackboard appears in color? करेक्ट आंसर हो यह कला रंग अवशेषण करे। Which of the following instrument is used to measure soil water tension? करेक्ट आंसर हो टेंसियोमीटर। What is the SI unit of force? SI बलर कण। करेक्ट आंसर हो न्यूटन। Which of the following is bad thermal conductor? करेक्ट आंसर हो ग्लास। Who invented first working laser? उत्तर हो TH मैमान। Water is a vehicle that calculates distance covered by vehicles in called dash. Correct answer is odometer. Reflection from a smooth surface like that of a mirror is called dash reflection. Correct answer is regular. What is the SI unit of pressure? चापर SI एकक कौन? करेक्ट आंसर हो पास्कल। What is the SI unit of resistance? करेक्ट आंसर हो ओम। Gravitational force is maximum at which of the following place? उत्तर हो एक पोल। Which of the following device is used to measure humidity? करेक्ट आंसर हो हाइग्रोमीटर। Which of the following is not vector quantity? करेक्ट आंसर हो स्पीड। At what temperature in Fahrenheit pure water freezes? करेक्ट आंसर हो 0। What is the other name of Galileo's law of falling bodies? करेक्ट आंसर हो न्यूटन रो तृतीय नियम। Which of the following device is best suitable for measuring the temperature inside metallurgical furnaces? Correct answer is pyrometer. In which qualitative way the tendency of undistributed object to set at rest to keep moving with the same velocity is called? Inertia. The time taken by pendulum to complete one oscillation is called as? टाइम पीरियड। यहाँ को टाइम पीरियड कहा जाए। If the mass of an object is 60 kgs, what will be the its height on the moon? करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो 100 न्यूटन। The side mirrors of vehicles are of which of mirrors? करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो कॉन्वेक्स। Hematite is an ore mineral of करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो आयरन। Which among of the following which among is the which among of the following is false about alpha particles? सेमानंकर उच्च अनुप्रवेशकारी शक्ति अछि। Which among the following is not characteristics of oxidation reaction? निम्नलिखित मध्यरु केउंटी ऑक्सीडेशन प्रतिक्रियार गुण नुहे? करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो हमर एथिरे हाइड्रोजेनरल जग अंतर्भुक्त। एबे पर्यंत हमर चैनल को लाइक नहीं करथिबा बेले लाइक कर दियो। एमिति वीडियो सब दिन अपलोड हेबो। वीडियो भलो लागुथिबा बेले चैनल को शेयर एवं सब्सक्राइब मध्य करि देबे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हैला सोडा वाटर वाज इन्वाइटेड बाय करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो जोसेफ पुरोहित। The mass of proton and mass of the dash is same. प्रोटॉन रो मास एवं डैश रो मास समान। करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो न्यूटन। Using which of the following processes can one separate a solute from its solution? करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो इवापोरेशन। एहा को हमें कहिबा बाष्पीकरण। Which among the following is not characteristics of transition metals? निम्नलिखित मध्यरु केउंटी परिवर्तन धातुर गुण नुहे? कोन कहूची नुहे बेले करेक्ट आंसर हे जीवो हमर इलेक्ट्रॉन पाइबा पई प्रवृत्ति। Ethyl is that molecule. Correct answer is non-polar molecule. Dash gets converted to oxygen when exposed to sunlight. Correct answer is chloroform. Ethylene is dash molecule. Ethylene हेउछि एक डैश अणु। करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो फंगी। रिगवर्म इज डिजीज कॉज्ड बाय रिगवर्म एक रोग द्वारा होई थाए। करेक्ट आंसर है जीवो फंगी द्वारा होई थाए। Mangifera indica is the scientific name of correct answer है जीवो mango. Crabs belong to the phylum correct answer है जीवो Arthropoda. Myopia is defeated by eyes which is known as correct answer है जीवो निकट दर्शन। Who is known as the father of green revolution? अर्थात सबुज विपदर पिता भावरे किए शुणा शुणी करेक्ट आंसर इज DRLE Borlaug. Panther tigris is the scientific name of correct answer is tiger. How many facial bones are there? केते मुहर हाड़ अछि करेक्ट आंसर है 14टा केतेटा 14टा अछि Hypophytes are plants that grow in dash correct answer is salt water. Helictis is the scientific name of correct answer is kato katar scientific name. Anomia affect which of the flowing organ of human body? Answer is फुसफुस. Mendel is known as Mendel भाबरे जनाशुना की करेक्ट आंसर इज जेनेटिक्स रो पिता कहार पिता जेनेटिक्स रो पिता. Which of the following are known as suicidal bag of the cell? Suicidal bag कहा को कहा जाए सेल रो निम्नोक्त मध्यरु केउंटी कसर आत्महत्या बेग भावरे जनाशुना करेक्ट आंसर है लाइसोजोम. The largest gland of the human body is correct answer is liver. Photosynthesis is plant takes place in correct answer is पत्र रे यानी leaves रे. Insect that transmit diseases are known as vectra. Vectra ହେଉଛି. Insect that transmit disease are known as vectra. Which is the second largest gland of human body? Correct answer is pancreas. Annona squamous Annona squamosa is the scientific name of custard apple. Binomial nomenclature was founded by Carl Linnaeus. Correct answer is Carl Linnaeus. The disease beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of which of the following? एबे तक हमर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करबा बेले सब्सक्राइब जरूर करि देबे. एबे पर्यंत हमर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करथिबे बेले सब्सक्राइब मध्य करि देबे. करेक्ट आंसर है विटामिन बी. Chlorophyll was first isolated and named by correct answer is Coventa O. Pelletier.